when I heard a very familiar sound. And I look up in this palm tree, and we have a gigantic swarm of bees. They're coming to this little house right here. This is amazing. I've never actually seen them arrive. But look at that. They're all gathering around this cavity right here. Amazing. So I guess they're all going to try to pack in there. There was a swarm inside of that house. Somehow they must have remembered, because I haven't seen them in there for a long time. But you can see it's a huge swarm. You hear that buzzing? Let's get right in the middle of them. Just amazing. And I had just heard the owl from over here. So I put this ladder up, so let's go up the ladder and get in the middle of them. See, right in there is where they're headed. There's a little house in there. You can see the concentration of them. There's not enough room for all of these. I don't know what they think they're going to do. But they're just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now think about it. All of these individuals working together. How does that happen by accident? That does not happen by accident. They are thick. Look at that. They're all concentrating all of their efforts on a whole. There's a owl box right behind there. I'm gonna go get my other digital camera so I can take a few still shots of them suspended in the air. But you can see them. They are everywhere. It's clustering right on there. Look at right there. Look at how thick they are. Just amazing. There's one of them landing on my arm. Oh, the wind's blowing them right. I'm right in the middle of them. Well, the bees, it took approximately 15 minutes and they've pretty much settled down, but if you look real closely, I'm using a reflector to reflect light on it, but they've formed a bee ball just beneath that birdhouse that's hidden under all that vine. This is what's really amazing to me, is that I haven't seen bees in these numbers living in that birdhouse for a long time, at least a few months. And this swarm just came out of nowhere and has taken up residence there. So how did they know about it? They usually will send out a scout bee, but what I'm wondering is, could it be possible that somehow the descendants of the bees that were living in there have some memory of it? It just freaks me out to think about these things. Of course, I give credit. But if you see, you should be able to see with that reflection that they've balled up all around the entrance to that. Of course, there's not enough room in there, so I don't know if they'll stay for very long.